Hi everyone. So my name is Vishnu. I'm doing my Masters of Design program at IIT Hyderabad. And to talk about Jagdish, well, I met Jagdish around 2 years back when I was just preparing for my design exams, SEED and NIT. So that is how I came to meet Jagdish when I was searching for some sort of mentorship because my bachelor's is in mechanical engineering and I wanted to shift to design, which is not completely different, but in a way it has its own elements, and people have to learn in order to come into design before entering into design. So that is how I met Jagdish, and from day one, uh, he was so frank and he was very approachable that it didn't feel like we were strangers. He mentored me from day one, not only about design but other aspects of design, other elements of domains that surround design and how they complement design. So, and not only with respect to design, but he taught me to find the root cause of any design decision, any decision for that matter, and to target that, because that is the ultimate aim. And that really helped me, the way in which he approached problems, how he mentored me during the past 1.5 to 2 years, and that was really great. So thanks Jagdish, and thank you everyone.